We live in a highly customizable world, and just like you, there are hundreds of different options for TVs. Depending on your preference, you might also want a specific type of TV mount to best suit your needs. Today we're going to go over a couple different options that will work perfectly for you. The first option is a fixed TV mount. These mounts are very simple and very cost effective, so they're a great entry-level mount that you can use. Unfortunately, you can't use them at a specific angle, and you can only keep them at a certain height. The next option gives you a lot more flexibility. It's called the Tilt TV mount. This one allows you to adjust the TV up or down or slightly side to side depending on your preference. Unfortunately, while it provides more flexibility than a fixed TV mount, it is still only limited compared to the full motion mount. The next option that's available to you is a full motion or swivel TV mount. This one offers you the most flexibility in that it can go in any angle you want in order to increase your viewing experience. Unfortunately, it's also the most expensive TV mount on the market. The last option that's available to you is called a corner TV mount, and this is ideal if you have a TV that you want mounted in the corner of your house. It provides the best flexibility for viewing angle in that unique position.